Hi there everyone, welcome to the Windows Nexus. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can move our taskbar from one monitor to another, especially when you are using multi-monitor setup where you have 2 monitor, 3 monitor, or 4 monitor connected to the same system. So let's see how we can move our taskbar, or I would say sometimes people do not want to call it like we are moving taskbar. We are moving our startup menu as well as notification from one monitor to another. So for example, here if you see the notification bar only exists in this monitor where you're gonna see this Xbox controller picture. However, when you are seeing this chip picture, we do not have any notification bar. So let me actually quickly go to settings and let's quickly go here in display and let's click here on identify. So you can see the setting one is my display number 1 and the another one is my display number 2. And by the way, when I'm going to publish this video, you will already realize that monitor numbering is already there just to make everything more convenient. Now let's talk about how we can move our startup menu that only comes in my monitor number 1 to monitor number 2. And not only startup menu, as I said, we're also going to move this notification bar. So for that, what we need to do here is we need to click on this option which is multiple display, and from here we need to select the display which we would like to make our main display. Now in your case, as I said before, it can be 4 display, so just select the 4th display or 3rd display, whichever you want to make main display. Now select the option make this my main display. Now as soon as you're gonna hit that, you will see that the startup menu now move to my another display, whichever display I wanted to or wish to make as main display. So next time even you restart, you're gonna see your main taskbar got changed to monitor number 2. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus to see more such productivity videos around Microsoft Windows, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.